Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing Canon cameras, the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We'll be exploring their features and capabilities to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's dive in. Both the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 deliver stunning image quality. However, the EOS R7's 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor ensures that your images appear crisp and vibrant. On the other hand, the EOS R50 features a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor, which also produces impressive results. Both cameras excel at capturing detailed photos, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. When it comes to video performance, both cameras offer fantastic features. The Canon EOS R7 comes equipped with incredible 4K capabilities, allowing you to shoot ultra-high-definition videos. It also features the Digic X image processor, enhancing performance and delivering exceptional video quality. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 offers 4K uncropped movie capabilities, along with a full HD high frame rate mode for those smooth slow-motion shots. Both cameras are great choices for content creators. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology shines in both cameras. The EOS R7 boasts an impressive 5,481 AF points, allowing for excellent subject tracking and faster autofocus. With advanced deep learning technology, it can detect and track people, animals, and vehicles seamlessly. Similarly, the EOS R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones, covering a wide area of the frame. Both cameras ensure you'll never miss a moment. If you need high-speed, continuous shooting, the Canon EOS R7 has got you covered. With mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS, this camera excels at capturing fast-moving subjects like cars, wildlife, and sporting events. The EOS R50 is no slouch either, offering a continuous shooting speed of 12 FPS with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with electronic shutter. Both cameras allow you to freeze the action and capture those decisive moments. In terms of price, the Canon EOS R7 is priced at $1,499, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit comes in at $999. Please note that prices may vary, so it's always a good idea to check for the latest deals. Both cameras offer exceptional value for their respective price points, ensuring you get great features and performance. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras have their strengths and are fantastic options for photography and videography enthusiasts. It all comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.